What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, I got the perfect accessory for your iPhone 16 Pro right here. This is the screen protector from Smart Devil. This is a tempered glass screen protector with a dust-free box. So dust-free box series mean you get a dust-free installation. The screen protector is also waterproof and is strong anti-fingerprint, explosion-proof, and drop-proof. So it's time for us to do what we do, guys. Let's get straight into this installation and see what Smart Devil was talking about. Just gonna slide the box out like so. So in this box, we got two packages, guys. So the first package is cleaning kits, guys. Everything that you're gonna need to clean your device to prepare for the screen protector. Then you open the second package, and as you can see, we got all the screen protectors on deck. Okay, guys. So when we talk about this screen protector having a dust-free installation, this is exactly what we mean. As you can see, you open it up and you have your screen protector inserted into the box. When you put the phone in there ready for the installation, you just close it, and that way dust in your area or whatever's going on can't intrude in the installation of the screen protector. But let's go ahead and install a screen protector on my iPhone 16 Pro. First and foremost, you're going to want to get the contents out of one of these cleaning pouches. So the phone screen is clean, guys. I got my screen protector inserted and I got it hooked on to these notches right here to let me know I got it right in there perfectly lined up. Now what I'm going to do is put my iPhone in face down, and it lines everything up for you guys. That's the great thing about this. Everything is lined up for you and no dust is getting in here. So I close the dust-free kit, hold it down, and I'm going to pull down on this arrow. And there we go. Remove the iPhone. It was a bubble or two around the edges, but they was easily wiped away. Now that we got the Smart Devil screen protector installed, guys, as you can see, very smooth to the touch, and it's not leaving any fingerprints on the device like that, guys. Also, this is very anti-scratch, guys. I'm rubbing my knife across it. It's not picking up scratches. Anti-scratch screen protector right here. And if you get some water on it or things of that nature, you spray it. As you can see, it bubble up, is waterproof. So now I got my screen protector installed, guys. Looks great. Nice, clean screen protector installation. The box series keeps a whole bunch of dust from getting in between the display on your device, the screen protector. You'll be protected in drops and things of that nature, guys. And the frame really made it easy to line up the screen protector with the device. So like I said, it'll be a link down in the description. Shout out to Smart Devil. Really dope screen protector here. If you want to keep your iPhone fresh and your display fresh on your iPhone without keep spending money going back and forth the app to replace displays, get you a Smart Devil. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.